See, the thing is with being on an empty tube, you can walk up and down and talk without getting looks. Obviously there's a driver on it, but apart from that, and there's some people in the other carriages as well, but it's quite nice to have a whole carriage to yourself. It is a sunny day here in North London on the Piccadilly line, overground as you can see, approaching the wonderful station, end of the line, Cockfosters, Enfield.
This is Oakwood. This is a Piccadilly line service to Cockfosters.
There we go. Next stop.
The next station is Cockfosters. This
That's
train will terminate here or change. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you.
Now I'm going to leave them here.